What if the fabric pieces most people throw away could become something useful like this? On my table are leftover fabric pieces that were almost destined for the trash. I poured them out so you can see them clearly. So from the pile, I picked the longest piece and set the rest aside. I fold the fabric lengthwise. Then I measure 17 inches in length and 16.5 inches in width. I connect the lines and cut. Next, I fold the two upper edges inward and sew them. After that, I lay it flat and mark half an inch on the two sides, and at the upper part I mark 3/4 inch. I leave about 4 inches open at the top, then sew round the mark edges. I trim off the excess fabric to keep the edges neat. Now, I turn it inside out. And shape the corners so the edges come out clean. Using the leftover fabric pieces, I begin filling the pillow through the opening. Once it's full, I close the opening with a straight stitch. And just like that, leftover fabric becomes a simple fluff pillow. If you found this helpful, like, share,